Hello, we are Teens Teach Technology, and today we're going to talk about what is AI. So for our table of contents, we're going to go over a general overview of AI and what it is, the various types of AI, various uses of AI, and some AI misinformation. So first, we're going to talk about the overview on what is AI. So basically, artificial intelligence, which is AI, is a field of computer science. It basically focuses on creating systems which can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. So these tasks include basic human skills like learning, reasoning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, and things like that. So how did AI get started? So it started as a formal field of study and it began in the mid-20th century. Um, Alan Turing introduced the concept of a machine that could simulate this type of human intelligence in a paper that he made called Computing Machinery and Intelligence. And early research of AI just focused on developing algorithms and methods for this problem solving and reasoning. So you might wonder why AI is super popular. So advances in hardware, particularly GPUs, which are graphic processing units, have made it possible to process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. And I guess one thing I can add is these can process more data than a CPU, which are usually in computers, and they can't like process such much data. But AI has found successful applications across various industries, including personal use, and there's been lots of investment from private and government companies and has fueled more rapid advancements, and especially today. So now we're going to talk about different types of AI. So we're going to talk about narrow AI first, which basically focuses on achieving one task at a time. So this would be like image recognition, translating languages, and etc. What it cannot do is comprehend or understand new knowledge to complete like additional tasks. It's just programmed to do one task, and it has limited ability to maneuver through like multiple tasks. It's also known as weak AI. So some examples could be image recognition on Google and Facebook, the chat box, so like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistants, some self-driving vehicles like Teslas, boats, drones, and robots, and predictive maintenance, which is like alerting failure within parts of machine. So all of these things just have very limited things it can do. Some advantages of narrow AI is that it's very cost efficient and it's lower compared to artificial superintelligence or general intelligence. It's flexible and can be used in various applications, and it's accurate at doing repetitive activities. Some disadvantages is that they lack versatility since they can only do certain tasks, and it cannot use any prior knowledge to do any other tasks. Um, they need lots of assistance, so to problem solve or things like that, they need human assistance, and in order to be accurate, they need lots of data, which could be time consuming. So now we're going to talk about artificial general intelligence. So that can also be known as AGI, and it is a program designed to have human level knowledge across a wide variety of fields. And no true AGI exists right now, and it would exceed capabilities of a human due to storage of large data sets. Artificial superintelligence, or ASI, is an AI system that can possess intelligence far surpassing human intelligence. It's only hypothetical right now, but there are many processes that exist today that can help to form it. Like in this diagram here, it can have learning ability, memory, reasoning, problem-solving ability, communication, and creativity. And reactive machine AI is the simplest type of AI. It does not learn or adapt from experience. Instead, it just responds to certain preset inputs with the exact same output each time. This gives it a very limited capability, but it's consistent and reliable. Okay, so that's my part.
Okay, sorry. Continuing on with reactive machine AI, it cannot learn, so it cannot handle complex tasks without any learning or understanding of material. It also doesn't really work well with tasks that are based off a set of rules like customer service chatbots, which give automated responses, and industrial automation systems, which are ones that assemble products in factories. A limited memory AI, it's able to improve over time using experiences. It, use, it uses data and pre-programmed information to make its predictions. And it's most commonly used in self-driving cars, ChatGPT, visual AI tools, and text generation features. So the theory of mind AI, it has the ability to make decisions by understanding emotions and changing behavior based on these emotions. And it connects mental states to people with the ability to understand that they can differ among individuals. It also consists of systems that allow explanations of decisions in languages that humans can understand. So, self aware AI, this system is conscious and can perceive its own existence. Self aware AI is aware of its actions, surroundings, and state of being. And this is used in the medical field to help diagnosis or develop medications. Researchers are currently searching for ways to instill this type of AI, and this would give the ability to copy the human cognitive process. Um, Continuing with self-aware AI, it perceives its own existence. It's aware of its actions, surrounding, and state of being, and it's used in the medical field. And researchers are searching the ways to help use this in cognitive computing. Okay, so now we'll be moving on to the uses of AI. So the cons and pros. So the good uses would be for healthcare. I mean, it helps with treatment, imaging, and drug discovery. Finance, it helps with frauds, risk assessment, and financial advice. And another advantage, it provides 24/7 customer service. And then education, and it can help personalize learning, administrative automation, tutoring, and educational content. More benefits would be manufacturing. Production optimization would be helpful. Also helps with predictive maintenance and quality control. Entertainment, it helps with content recommendation and personalized playlists to your liking, and gaming enhancement. Another one would be climate change and sustainability because the data analysis, energy optimization, and sustainable practices. So the bad uses, one would be voice fraud. It's easy to clone voices of family and friends to defraud senior citizens. Data insecurity, make sure when this happens, pause before you click on sources that appear to look like your bank or credit card company. And then health work concerns, AI prediction software uses data to predict care. Okay, so now we'll be moving on to the next section, which is AI misinformation. One would be photos. How this happens, AI impersonates people to scare friends and family. It alters people's appearance and it steals someone else's photos for scam related purposes. For videos, deep fakes happen. And what these are, they replace people's faces with another person. They also make sure to edit their voices realistically, and they analyze a person's facial expressions and voice and use this to impersonate. All right, so that concludes our lesson. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask them. If there are none, then we can continue.
That's it.
Okay, so that concludes. Thank you for attending the lesson. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us by our email, below our socials, and our website. And we also will have an available recording of this lesson, which our librarian will send to you by link. And it's going to be helpful if you have anything you want to re-look over. And please fill out the participant form to give feedback on how we did. Thank you.
All right, and then I'm just gonna put in the link for the feedback form. Copy. There you go. And yeah, I think that's it. So I'm gonna stop recording.